So girls, today we will do solve addition and subtraction equations. Page number 439, lesson number 8.4, subtraction property of equality. Before I start with my subtraction property of equality, please white screen. Okay. Listen to my story. You have n number of chocolates. I don't know how many are there. You have n number of chocolates and you added 5 chocolates. Maybe this 5 chocolates your friend gave you. You added these 5 chocolates, n number of chocolates. I don't know this how many are there. And when I add 5, my total my total number of chocolates are 34. This is the question given. Clearly listen to the question again. I have n number of chocolates. I don't know how many chocolates. And Leen gave 5 chocolates to Ateen. More means I added 5 chocolates in the box. Previously there is n. I don't know how many n. And a total, when I count all of them, the n and 5, I get 34. This is an equation. What is this, girls? This is an equation. Okay? This is called an equation. Now see how to solve this n. I need to solve n. I need to find n. If I need to find n, I need to send this 5 to the other side. Okay? See, this 5 is very sad here. It doesn't like to go, so it has to go next to the number. It likes to go to the other side. It doesn't like to stay with n. So 5, when it walks to other side, sign changes. Sign changes. Plus becomes minus. Minus becomes plus. Remember this. Remember this rule. Plus will become minus because it doesn't, n wants to be alone. Phi don't like to stay here. It walks to the other side. Copy n. I copy equal. Teacher, why didn't you copy 5? Because 5 wants to go to the other side. I'll copy 34. What is the rule? Plus 5 becomes minus. So n will be 30. No, it will be 29. How many chocolates are there? Anyways, you know that 29 plus 5 gives you 34. You can directly also know, but sometimes with big numbers, it is not possible. So this is the procedure. 29 plus 5 gives me 34. If you minus both of them, you get this. At least 50% you get it. Leen, Malak.
Yeah.
Did you understand this a bit?
Yeah, I understand.
Wateen?
Yeah.
Leen?
Yeah.
Ghalia? You can write it down, Ghalia. Did you get it? Did you understand this, Ghalia? I'm waiting for her. Yes. What did she write? Let us see.
Miss, she
Great.
will do the chat. Yeah.
Okay. Let us begin. So, Malak, I was just saying them to turn to page number 439. Okay. The first question is here. The longest distance jumped on pogo stick is 23 miles. Emilia has jumped 5 miles on a pogo stick. Equation, the longest is 23. D plus 5 equals 23. This is the equation, girls. D plus 5 equal 23. Girls, this method don't follow. Follow my method. Just fill up this. What did I teach you? If I write in the white screen, D plus 5 equal 23. Yes, sorry, Malak?
Yeah.
A second, give me a minute. I will just take my turn. Hello, yes. So what was the question? D plus what? Tell me, D plus 5 miles?
Yeah.
Total how much? 23.
5. Yeah.
Girls, you see, you have in your mind that 5 plus what gives me 23. So you can do it, but see, best you make D alone. See, Malak, make D alone. Let this 5 go to other side. Copy equal, don't copy 5. Copy equal 23, I'll write down. What will happen to plus 5? Yes, Malak? Plus 5 will become?
Plus 5 will become 23.
See,
Miss,
this
the D
5,
is going to be,
listen
I
to me.
think, 18.
This, yes, this 5 will go to another side and will become minus 5, Malak, okay? Plus will become, you, plus will become minus. Plus will become minus. If it is minus here, it goes there and become plus. So 23 minus 5. D equal what? Simply, Malak, if you have 23 chocolates and if you remove 5 chocolates, why do I have to remove 5? Because they want to know that 5 plus what gives me 23. So it is 18. Plus, if it is a plus sign, you will minus with the total. If it is a minus sign, you will plus with the total. Minus becomes,
Miss, I didn't understand. If it's minus sign, I will what?
see, if the question is, I have F fishes in the tank. I don't know how many fishes in the tank. And 2 died. After 2 died, they are 18. So how many F were there before? So you will write F, you will write equal sign, you will write 18, and you will plus 2. And you will say there were 20 fishes before. This minus comes to another side. Another side, what is the meaning of this another side? This is left-hand side. There is an equal side, and this is right-hand side. This to another side. See here, equal is there. To the left-hand side, you have D. But the 5 went to the right-hand side. When it goes to right-hand side, it became minus. It was plus here. Same way. This is LHS and this is RHS. This minus, when it go to another side, it becomes plus 2. And your answer is 20. It will take time to understand. This is a tough topic. So here, just write down, they did minus 5. Don't put minus 5 here. They do that, but I don't teach my kids this way. This is the best way. You will write D and you will put 23 minus 5, you get 18. This is the best and easy way, girls. And even how to check the solution, you'll put your answer here and see whether if you add both of them, you get 23 or not. Did you finish writing?
Yeah, miss.
Did you write how we solved? D
Yeah.
5 equal
Yeah.
23. D equal 23 minus 5. D equal 18. Okay, I'll go to another page. Thank you, Galia, for responding. Be with us. See, guys, this is not in your textbook. If you want, you can write in the copybook. I will solve with you and see how I do it. This will make you understand.
Miss, the number is not clear.
Really?
Yeah.
Make it more big. How about now?
Yeah, now it's big.
This is not in the textbook. It's just to practice. Malak, tell me, what will I do to the first one? I'll write X. The letter, I want to send 13. I don't want 13 here. I will write equal. I'll copy 27.
Equal 27.
And this plus 13 will become?
This it will become in after it, like after.
What should I write here?
Plus 13.
There is one mistake here, Malak. I told you when plus goes to another side, it become, this is your mistake. I cannot write plus 13. 27, it goes to another side and become minus. It becomes minus. Why? You know that 13 you will add something to get 27. 13 you will add something. But how do you get the answer? You have to subtract from 27. Plus you have to, this 13, when it goes to the other side, this is the other side. After 27, this is the other side. This is not with the X. This is one side and this is one side. 13 is going to the other house. Imagine, girls, this is one house. Before equal to, there is one house. And after equal to, there is one house. If this 22 comes with this 38, that means it is going to another house. When it walks to another house, it changes the sign. At least little bit you understood now?
Yeah.
I get Malak, I get 4 and 14 is my answer. Do with me one more, Malak. This is 38. What do I want? What do I want? What do I have to find out? I have to find out D.
We have to, yeah.
If I want to find out D, this minus 22 must walk another side. Now you will ask, teacher, why 38 cannot walk there? Because D I want to make alone. I want to make something what to walk, something which is next to the letter, not something where is alone. So minus 22 come here and become plus 22. D I will leave it alone. D I leave it alone. 22 comes here. Plus minus becomes plus. 60 is the answer. So D equal 60. Same way here. 12.4 copy. 7.0 comes that side. 7.9 equal 8. I will minus it and I'll get some answer. Just till here, fourth I will not do because it's you will get confused. And let us go to the textbook. Turn to page number 440. Never get confused even if you see fractions. The question is a minus 5 over 8 equals 7 over 8. This 5 over 8 walks to the other side. A equals 7 over 8 plus 5 over 8. Denominators are same. I can add the numerator. 7 plus 5 because they are same. If they are not same, you can never add the numerator. Because 8, they are same. I will add the numerator. 12 over 8 is my answer. Anyways, they did not ask you the answer. Just do this 2. Just write this 2 and it will come down.
Give me something.
First. Come here, girls. As I told you, follow this method. Forget about what they are doing here. I did not teach you about putting on both the sides. That is tough. The easiest way is what I teach you. You can put a sticky note there. Tell me the question. A minus 5/8 equal, what is it? Is it this? Is it this one?
Yeah, 8. Yeah, equals 7/8. Yeah.
So 8 equal, I'll write 7/8. Malak, this minus 5/8 will become? It is walking.
It will become into 7 and
Minus will become?
minus will become equals.
Plus, my dear. This, okay, this I wrote equal, I wrote 7/8. What will I do to this? This will walk to another side, will become plus. Minus will become plus 5/8. And then denominators are same. I can add the numerator. I get 12/8. I divide. So what is your answer? 1/4/8 or 1/2/4. Give me a second, girls. Here, did you understand this?
Yes.
You can also simplify here, girls. Both can be divided by 4. 4 times 2 and 4 times 3. And then you can go with 3/4. If you want, if you don't want to do this way, here it is 12/8, right? You got 12/8. I got 12/8. Both of them comes in the table of 4. So I get 3/2. If I do 3 and 2, 1.5. So my answer is 3/2 or 1.5. Finish copying? Finish?
Yes.
Don't forget to write the page number and if you are doing in the copybook. In the textbook, you need to fill up this 5/8, 5/8. You get 12/8 and
Yeah, Miss.
get 1.5. How you get 1.5? Everything I've shown you in the white screen. Simple. Lean.
Yeah.
N plus 35 equal 80. Now, when I see the letter, I want to make the letter N alone. I'll just write N and I'll write equal. This 35, I'll send the other side. So what should I write? N, I'll copy. 35, I will not write. 80 plus 35 will become? This plus 35.
80 plus 35.
One second. Yes,
I
Lean?
didn't understand.
Yes, Lean?
80 plus 35.
Sorry.
Be,
How can, one second, Lean, 1 second. I told you the rule is the plus sign. This is the left-hand side. This is the right-hand side. I have to use the white screen again. N plus 35 equal, what is it, 85? Is it 85?
Yeah, 35.
Equal
No, it's 8.
No, 35 and 80.
80. Okay, see. This is one side and this is one side. Do you agree? This is your left hand side. This is your right hand side.
Yeah.
They are different.
Yeah.
In between you have equal. This 35
Yeah.
has to go to the right hand side. Why? To make n alone. You need to find n. I need to find n. I wrote n, I wrote equal, and I wrote this 80, which was on, better I write the left hand side, the red color. Now see. I'll write this n with red because n is left hand side. I wrote equal sign. I wrote 80. 80 is on the right hand side, which is green in color. Now this 35, which was red, I want to send to right hand side. So this plus 35 becomes,
Minus 35.
got it, Lean?
Yeah.
Plus becomes,
Miss, can you say it again because I didn't understand it well.
Vatin, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. My main intention, my mission is to make this n, to find this n. When can I find n? And if I give you this equation as a concept, see, it's n chocolates and 35 chocolates. Total, they said you have 80 chocolates inside. They told you they have 35 and you have n. How to find this n? You need to minus 80 minus this to get this n number. If you see the concept, I need to minus the whole with the parts inside to get the n number. Same way, you come to the equation. This plus 35, which is red in color, which is left hand side, will always go to the right hand side. If it was right hand side, it will come to left hand side. But wherever it moves its place, it moves its house, the sign will change. So plus 35 goes and become?
35 minus 30.
Yes, plus becomes minus. You need to know this rule. Plus becomes minus.
Minus.
I will write with red so that you remember that this is left hand side
N equal 80.
minus 35. What is 80 minus 35? 45, 50, 65, 75.
Yeah.
80. 45 is the answer. So 45 chocolates plus 35 chocolates is giving you total 80 chocolates. 45 plus 35. If I put n, now see, this is the solution. If they say put n, I will put n 45 plus 35. I got 80. That means my n is correct. Okay?
Okay.
It will take time. It will take time to understand. Come on. Now in the school, in the book, they are doing on both the sides. That will make you more confused. Why are they putting 35 here? Minus 35 on both the sides. They put minus 35 on both the sides. So this becomes 0. And here you have same way how I did it. Use the subtraction property. This is called subtraction property of equality.
Done.
Okay. One by one you will do this with me. Wateen,
Okay.
do the second one with me. 16 plus x. This is the left hand side. And this is the right hand side. I want
Right.
alone. So I will send 16 to the right hand side. I'll write x with pink color.
X plus.
X equal.
Plus,
X equal.
X.
What is it? 42. X equal 42. And what to, this is plus 16. It goes there and become?
Minus.
Simple. This is your answer.
Yeah, I'm interested.
Malak,
Yeah.
y equal, what should I write? This is
Y equal y It will equal 9.1.
Very good. Then
Then we plus 6.2.
this is what you're doing the mistake. The plus becomes
But we minus it.
because it is to the other side. So when you minus both, you get 2.9. Okay. Now tomorrow I'm going to continue with the same lesson. Thank you and have a nice day. 5 minutes later, I'm coming for science again. Galia, are you using your mobile? Do you have a WhatsApp? Because I need your number to add in a group where I will be sending you notes, answers for the questions, special science. Give your number to Wateen or give your number here. Wateen is going to add you. Wateen or Leen, your friends. Okay, we'll see in science. Okay, Galia? Yes, take this number, Wateen.
Okay, I copy it.
Yes.
Miss, خلاص I add her.
You added, Wala? Good, good.
Yeah, just now.
Galia, is this your own number? Are you using it or is it your mom's?
Miss, I'm gonna add her because
Okay,
right now
it's
it says
hers.
I'm the admin.
Who's the admin?
Me.
See you in the science class at 10:20, okay?